Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through a smart automation I have built using N8N that scans a receipt image or an invoice, extract all the key details like the store name, total amount, payment method, and even the list of the items. Then logs into the Google Sheets and send the confirmation message to WhatsApp. So here's a quick demo. First, I upload an image of the receipt through a form. The image gets analyzed, the data is extracted, formatted beautifully, saved to the Google Sheet, and finally, a WhatsApp message is sent confirming the upload along the link to the image. That's cool, right? Now let's break this workflow down step by step. We are starting with on form submission trigger. This is just simple form where I upload a receipt image. You can replace this later with a WhatsApp trigger to fully automate the experience for businesses where customers or field representatives send receipt image directly via WhatsApp or maybe Telegram. Next, we upload that image file to Google Drive using the upload file node. This helps us to keep a copy of the image in cloud storage for later access or audits. Then we move to the extract form file node. It converts the image into base64 string, which allow us to send it securely to OpenAI or other APIs. We pass this base64 string to an API called Imgur using HTTP request node. The API returns a public image URL, which we use in later step for WhatsApp and sheet logging. If you are not familiar with Imgur, it's super fast and free image hosting platform. The cool thing, they give you an API that doesn't even require user logging for basic uploads. And we're going to use that inside N8N. Let me show you exactly how to set that up. First of all, head over to imgur.com and create a free account if you have not already. You can sign up using Google, Apple, or any email. Once you are in, go to this URL. I will add this URL into the description as well. This is where we register our app. Here you will find out the form like authorization type, application name, email, and the description. For the authorization type, you can say anonymous usage. For application name, say anything like N8N receipt uploader. For email, use your own email. And in the description, write something like automating receipts upload from N8N. Hit submit and boom, you will get a client ID and a client secret. Don't worry about the secret for now. We only need the client ID. Now let's head back to N8N. Add an HTTP request node, the one I just set up. Select a method post, URL this, and under the headers, add one key. Authorization, client ID, space, enter the client ID here. Once this is ready, hit execute node. I use the set node here to clean the link before it's stored or shared. Now the magic happens here. The scan image node, which is the OpenAI, uses GPT-4 vision to extract structured data from the receipt image. This includes store name, store number, date, total, tags, items, and more. I use a detailed system prompt asking AI to return JSON so it's easier to parse and use. Now these two steps are crucial. The first node does the initial cleanup, new lines, markdown code, removing new lines, markdown code blocks, and fixing broken arrays or commas that might using JSON parsing errors. Then I used another code node to turn the structured JSON into nicely formatted text values. Here we break it down to store name, store number, date, total tags, item list in bullet form. So it's ready to be logged in or sent anywhere. Then we move all the structured data to Google Sheet. This becomes our searchable, filterable receipt database for future reporting audits or business intelligence. Finally, we use the WhatsApp node to send the confirmation. It includes the store, the total, and the direct link to the uploaded image. Now, if you want to take this workflow to the next level, replace the form trigger with a WhatsApp trigger. That way, user can simplify, send a picture to your business WhatsApp, and it will scan the image, extract the data, save it to the Google Sheet, and then reply back on WhatsApp all automatically. This is perfect for businesses doing expense tracking, delivery confirmations, or handling receipts from the field staff. And that's it. You now have a complete automation from image input to structured data output, fully integrated with Google Sheets and WhatsApp. If you found this helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more AI automation tutorials, and let me know in the comments if you want the full N8N workflow JSON. See you in the next one.